Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into BMW credit cards. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Google Chrome web browser or any preferable browser you prefer. And in the top section, tutorial section, you have to type BMW credit card and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, you have to click on the first option that says BMW Credit Cards, which is the official homepage of BMW Credit Cards. Click on that. And here we can see on the top right corner, there's this login option right over here in the white font. Click on that option as well. And in order to log in, here we can see we are required with our personal ID. Type down your ID and click on the continue. And you are also required with the 5 last digits of your favorite credit card. Simply type down the digits of your favorite credit card, and here we could see the small box that says remember this computer. So if you want to keep logged in to the device that you're going to log in from BMW credit cards, you have to click on this option. But if you don't prefer that, click back again. And if you also have forgotten your answer, here we could see the option that says forgot your answer. Click here as well. And after that, click on the next. Then you'll be logged into the BMW credit cards. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.